My name is Simbarashe Manyika. One of the members of the project that we want to embark in the location of Macheke. We understand that from the effects of the drought that we have been having for the couple of years within the region as well as and particularly in the country, there is high need for food security. And we think this is an opportunity. We're coming at the right time to also give a hand as far as food security is concerned, and that's a ready market actually on its own. And not to mention the effects of COVID-19 that we have seen this year, and that will all actually bring in more challenges and troubles as far as food is concerned within our nation. We thought outside the box and came up with this idea that we have learned we cannot just lay it idle. This is one of the best forms of capital that we have. But currently, what we now need is assistance as far as setting up equipment is concerned. We need water, drilling of a bore there for a reliable source of water. We're grateful for our climate. We have good solar energy from the sun. So we also need to set up a solar system that is also a good source and reliable source of power. So we are opening up and looking for partners and investors on this grant, a project that we foresee growing in the future, probably up to the levels of value addition, where we will be also in the position process the food, get into food processing, probably canning, probably packaging, and within the whole, the value chain and helping other people coming on board, and thus creating more engagements for especially young people along the way. As how we foresee it is it may grow to that extent. Thank you very much for taking interest.
Hi, my name is Eunice Makuire. We're a group of youths who discovered that in our country we are faced by an acute food insecurity challenge, whereby our country's agricultural sector has been affected by COVID-19, the coronavirus of 2019 recently, which has ravaged the country, and it has affected food demand, food supply, and food production. Also, we have been affected by the climate change, and it is rendered our citizens mostly food insecure. So we came up as a group of youth and decided to get into gardening as well as poultry so that we can help in alleviating the problems. We have land which is in Macheke, and now we are appealing for funds for the solar system that can help us pump water, as well as a bore for the water supply so that we can water our crops and our poultry. We thank you for your interest in our project, and we thank you for your investments.